everyone. Welcome back to the online classes of Sri Gokulam Public School Girivayur. I'm Sabita Joseph, your English teacher. Today we are going to learn about the uses of the word to and the preposition to. So let's start today's session. How we can use the words to and to within a sentence. Now you can see two sentences here. The boys were scared. They could not speak up. We can join these two sentences like this. The boys were too scared to speak up. What happened? We combined both these sentences into one, isn't it? Here, the word to is used with a verb scared, which means too scared, that the boys were very much scared. Here, the word to is used as an adverb, isn't it? It modifies the verb scared, which means they were very much scared. They were extremely scared, right? So the word is used as an adverb to show the extreme degree of a verb. And the next part is to speak up. And what about the preposition to? Here, to is used to show movement, isn't it? The boys were too scared to speak up. They were very much scared to do what? To speak up. Okay. Now see the sentences. The ball was too high for him to catch. Here, the ball was so high so that he could not catch. Next, Kunal was too good a player for us. That Kunal was such a good player that we could not keep up. In your textbook, page number 90, vocabulary section, you have an activity that is complete these sentences using the words from the brackets. So some sentences are given and some blanks are there. What you have to do is read the sentences and choose the correct words from the brackets. And don't forget to put the to and to with the words. The first one has been done for you. The film is too scary for me to watch alone. The next one, it is dash dash outside right now. Two words are given in the brackets, sunny and play. The first word is sunny, so the sentence will be like this. It is too sunny to play outside right now. Likewise, complete this activity and check the answer keys in the Google Classroom. Now we are going to learn about a punctuation mark, that is apostrophe. Where we use this apostrophe? We use this apostrophe to show the position or the belongings of someone or something. For example, this is my friend's book. So the book belongs to my friend. Another one is, this is my brother's car. So this car belongs to my brother. And the next one is, this is Anita's pen. So this pen is belonging to whom? Anita. So this apostrophe is used to show the position. Okay. Now let's see some other examples. We entered the principal's room. So the room belongs to the principal. The next one, the gilly hit the man's cap. The cap belongs to the man. The next one, my sister's friend is coming home today. So here the friend belongs to my sister. That's why we put the apostrophe and yes. See all these nouns, principals, mans, sisters, all these nouns are singular. So we add the apostrophe and s with the singular noun. So all these words like friends, brothers, anidas, principals, mans, all these words or all these nouns are singular. So we add an apostrophe and s at the end of this noun. So what about the plural nouns? For plural words ending with s, we only add an apostrophe to show the possession. We do not add apostrophe with s. We only put an apostrophe mark at the end of plural nouns. Now let's see an example. This shelf is for kids' games only. Here kids is a plural noun, so we add only the apostrophe at the end of the noun. See the next one. My parents' car is parked outside. Parents, it can be father and mother, so it's a plural noun, and we add the apostrophe at the end of the noun. Umbrellas' handles are sometimes carved. Here, umbrellas handles, which means umbrella is not a one umbrella, it is a plural. So we add the apostrophe at the end of the noun. The boys' bags were missing from their desks. So the boys' bags. So the boys is a plural noun. We add apostrophe at the end of the noun. We add apostrophe at the end of singular noun and plural noun to show the possession. At the end of singular noun, we add an apostrophe and s to show the possession. At the end of plural noun, we only add an apostrophe. In your textbook, page number 20, there's an activity that is insert an apostrophe where required. First, you read all these sentences and find out the noun. And check whether the noun is singular and plural. If it is singular, add an apostrophe and s. If it is plural, add an apostrophe at the end of that noun. So do it by yourself. After that, check the answer keys in the Google Classroom. And for the next class, study the answers of question number 2C and question number 3. So dear children, I hope you understood today's class. Don't forget to study and don't forget to do the textual activities. We'll meet in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.